Okay. Okay.
Oh! I fucking pressed the wrong button.
What?
I pressed the wrong button to help me up. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, bro. I pressed the wrong button, bro. Bro, I'm bugging today, bro. Hang on, I wasn't ready.
Wait. What was that?
Bro, I was bugging,
Did you
bro.
You broke it.
Nah, I'm good. Wait, chill. What's the health? Wait, Brooke, stop, no. Brooke, don't. No, why? It took so long to get this.
Wait!
Why? Why would she cut the content for?
A few moments later.
Hold on, let me dump some stuff in.
That was cool.
You like that? Team Rocket, send a message. Tell everybody Team Rocket's coming back.
I can't, bro. I broke it, bro. I'm sorry. Bro,
I refuse to believe you broke it.
Bro, I am getting better, though. I am. Before, I didn't even make it out of the bandit camp before. I'm getting better, dude. I'm sorry. I am trying my hardest. I'm not trolling or trying to throw the game. I want to win just as much as you.
How much scrap is that wasted?
I was gonna just put 2K on red, but instead, you gave Brooke the first 1.5K lead, then you crashed the second one. How is that better? How is that? At least we have a chance at winning with the red. No, it's 0 just win. I can't, dude. This is just dumb. I'm gonna do rig on my own. I'm done.
Wait, we have 400 scrap. We can gamble it.
Just forget it, dude. Just forget it.